I'm sure you've heard about green tea and its wonderful fat burning properties, how good it is for the immune system. It's all over the media and with good reason. It's really well researched and it does help with fat burning. However, what you might not have heard of is matcha green tea. Matcha green tea is packed full of EPCGs, as is green tea, but it's stronger. It's like a turbocharged version. These catechins really do help you with brain function. They help you with fat burning in particular. It's all over the news. I recommend matcha green tea to boost your immunity as well, not just for fat burning. It really helps with cardiovascular function. It's an all-rounder, and I recommend have a couple of cups of tea of it a day, have it in a powder form, have it in tablets, but just get it into your diet and you may find that not only does it burn fat, but it helps you with overall health.